Buenas, buenas. Welcome to In the DAW. I'm Kevin Ochoa, and today I'm going to show you how to get a bunch of programs, amazing quality programs for video editing, audio editing, and photo editing for the incredible price of only 20 bucks. So you're probably asking yourself, why do I need these apps? Well, for one, you can edit your videos, you can make them look nice and crispy, or you can clean up your audio using Sound Cleaning Lab. Say you don't record in the best environments, you can clean it up in post-production. And let's say you're making images and you're making album covers. You can use Graphic Designer, the Zara Photo Graphics Designer, and you can use Photo Manager Deluxe and Sample Blockbuster Complete to get cinematic sound to your best video that you can possibly make. And it's all available in this one bundle. So this is incredible. This is not just good for people who have been doing this audio and video editing stuff for a while, but it's also great for people who are brand new and are just getting started. Let's check out how the pricing is. Humble Bundle is a service that provides bundles of software, whether it is either video games, apps for your Android phone, music apps, or even, I guess, comics now, or gaming comics. Cool. So you get a bunch of different types of bundles, and they offer these for 1 month or a certain period of time, and you're able to get all these pieces of software for a really discounted price. For this month, we have the Humble Software Bundle, and as you can see, it's a rebundle because it was so well sold that they had to do another one. This thing actually started a couple of weeks ago, but I just got to it today. For 1 penny, you can get the Music Maker 80s edition, Magix Photo Manager Deluxe, and Soundpool Blockbuster Complete. Now, if you pay $19.02, you get Zara Photo and Graphic Designer, Magix Photo Story Deluxe, and Music Maker Hip Hop Beat Producer app. Now, the main juicy part of this bundle, which is why people are paying the average of $19 or more, is by paying 20 bucks, you get Vegas Pro 14 Magix Vintage Effects Suite, Zara Web Designer Premium, and the Magix Video Sound Cleaning Lab. So the MSRP of these programs all added up together are over $1,000, but you're only getting it for 20 bucks. So I definitely would be checking out and staying in tune with Humble. It's a great service. I've used it not just for video games, but also for downloading this Vegas Pro bundle a couple months ago, and now they have it back up there. So pick it up. It's only going to be there for 13 more hours, but I'm pretty sure they're going to rebundle it a couple weeks or months down the road. So stay tuned. And this is Kevin with In the DAW, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.